Good morning and welcome to Phi Tou's Thai Kitchen. First off, Happy New Year everyone and welcome to lockdown. It's great, isn't it? But to cheer you up, we've got a special dish for you today and that is Pad Priew Wan. That is sweet and sour stir fry. So we're going to team this up with chicken, which goes so well with sweet and sour. This is not one of my, let me put you straight in this. All my life, I haven't liked sweet and sour. I don't like the smell, I don't like the flavor, but Chef Pi Tou's is really, really good. Obviously the way she makes it, the sauce, but it's really, really good. And it's one of our most popular dishes. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Good morning, welcome to Phi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to cook sweet and sour chicken. Okay, our recipe. Half cooked boiled chicken, sugar, salt, pineapple, tomato, green pepper, red pepper, cucumber, onion and spring onion, and the sauce, vinegar, white vinegar, tomato. That's it. Okay, we use the self-rising flour mixed with the chicken because we need to fry the chicken first. Only 2-3 tablespoons. Okay, now we heat the oil first. Heat the oil. Put a little bit of water, mix with the flour.
Oh, ding on.
Yeah.
What's that for?
No, this one, then the chicken can.
I'll just stick to help it stick on.
Yeah.
So you want it to be more like a paste to coat the chicken.
Yeah. Put the chicken in there. But not too thick, just slightly, very thin flour. Oh. Okay, now when you can see the oil getting hot, then we just put the chicken in there to fry it. See the color change to the golden brown. Look the color. Okay, now this is cook. Okay, we drain the oil. Leave it here, and we use this to start to fry. Okay, now we start to cook, and we put a little bit of cooking oil. When this one not, we put onion. green pepper, red pepper, cucumber and tomato. Add a little bit of water. Put our vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, three tablespoons of tomato sauce, this is 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a little bit of water if you see this is very dry. When you mix this one together and then you taste, yes, if you like any taste you can add more. When this one mix well and cook, and then you put chicken and pineapple and spring onion last. And then that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay.
Now it's time for the taste test. Look at that. Looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa! Oh, it's good. I'll tell you a secret. I'm not a big fan of sweet and sour, especially kind of Chinese versions. But this version is so simple with fresh ingredients that it really is good. Really, really good. Flavor is not too strong, not too in your face. The texture of the chicken is perfect. I hope you enjoyed that. Sweet and sour chicken. I certainly did. As I said, I'm not a fan of sweet and sour, but this sweet and sour is just really just ticks all the boxes. So happy new year again. Stay safe. Our videos might be being released a bit sporadically at a moment, just because with what's going on, sometimes it's difficult for us to kind of organize ourselves, get ourselves together. Stay safe, follow the rules, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. As I said, it really does help us massively. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.